Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix when one earbud isn't working on your Sony. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, because we need to perform a soft reset. Now, it disconnected from your phone, so after that just remove it from the charging case and it will reconnect to your phone. Then check it, maybe it fixes your problem. If it doesn't, we should perform a hard reset. To perform a hard reset, put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that you should press and hold both of these touch areas until this LED light is disappeared. So press and hold on it. Here we go, now you can release your finger, and firstly we should remove it from the phone. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair a new device, and after that remove your earbuds from the charging case. It should enter to prank mode automatically, so we should see it as a device list. Just click on it or click pair as I did, and we did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!